Hello guys, now we are going to see the electric field lines. It is an important topic, especially in the field of electrostatics. Actually, it was coined by Michael Faraday, very important person. You may well know that. The positive and negative charges was discriminated or explained by the process of Michael Faraday. He was the first person to say there are two kinds of charges, positive and negative. And it helps to find the action at a distance of the charge on the other charge. Yeah, we know that electric field or the electric charge is a point, it has the ability to exert the force on the other. So it was able to explain, or it was able to understand by some imaginary action that is called electric field lines. It can be explained by the process, or it can be explained by the concepts of electric field lines. So there are certain rules to be followed while drawing electric field lines. They are, it starts from the positive charge and it ends at the negative charge or at infinity. What is its meaning? For example, if I have taken the positive charge, the electric field lines will be starts radially outwards and it will be ended at the infinity, or it will be reaching the negative charge. In the case of negative charge, it will be starts from the infinity and it will be terminated, or it will be inwards it, or radially inward to the negative charge. And the second one, for the positive charge, the electric field lines point radially outward, and the negative charge, the electric field lines radially inward. That's what I said. Now, the third one is the electric field vector at a point in space is tangential to the electric field line at that point. We know that the electric field is a vector quantity. It has a direction and also the magnitude. And in the direction of the electric field can be measured by drawing the tangential line to the electric field lines, which will deliver the direction of the electric field. So from this we will be able to understand the direction of the electric field lines will also define the direction of the electric field. That's why it was called as electric field lines. And the fourth one, the magnitude or the strength of the electric field. Especially we know that electric field can be termed, in other words, called electric field intensity. So that intensity can be measured or can be identified with the help of the number of lines. Suppose in a point charge, when it exerts or when it delivers the electric field, where the electric field lines are close together, and that point the electric field will be larger. And at the same time, when the electric field lines will be lesser in a particular area, then where the electric field will be less. So the number of lines is directly proportional to the electric field. Okay, so if we we will come to know one more thing, that E is directly proportional to 1 by r square, inversely proportional to the r square. And what is r? We know that. So it is a distance from the point charge. Okay, so when I move away from the point charge, the electric field lines or electric field will become lesser. And the last but not the least, it's a very important point. No two electric field lines intersect. We may ask why the electric field lines will not intersect. Why? Because when the electric field line intersect, and look at the diagram, in the diagram you will come to know that, so there will be an intersection. And in the second point, the third point, I told you the electric field line direction, the direction of the electric field will be given the direction of the electric field lines. If it is so, when the point of intersection, you could find there are two directions will be originated at the point where the intersection is occur. So then intersection or the electric field line intersection will not be possible. And the last one, the number of electric field lines coming out or moving in for the charge is directly proportional to the magnitude of the charge. What is its meaning? When the charge is having more magnitude, or when the system is having more amount of charge, will exerts more number of electric field lines. Thank you.